Welcome to our guide on how to unfollow an account on Instagram with the latest update. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram feed and manage the accounts you follow, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in the app, locate and tap on your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can access various settings. On your profile page, look for the following option at the top and tap on it. This will display a list of all the accounts you are currently following. Take your time to scroll through the list and find the account that you wish to unfollow. When you found the account, tap on the Following button next to the account's name. This will bring up a menu of options related to that account. Look for the Unfollow option and tap on it to confirm your decision. And there you have it. You have successfully unfollowed the account on Instagram. By doing this, you can curate your feed to show content that aligns more closely with your interests and preferences. Remember, managing the accounts you follow can help personalize your Instagram experience and make your feed more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your social media platforms. Thank you for watching, and happy unfollowing.